Hey everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Mobile Interface and Usability. Um, this is course 1013 and this is Project 1. So this is my app right now. Um, Obviously it's very bare bones. I didn't use too much to make it look as nice. I really wanted to make it look as nice as possible. But, judging by the fact that we're not really supposed to be using jQuery just yet, it's not really like a requirement right now. I just tried my best to make it look better with the essentials that we have now. Um, Obviously, as you can see with my CSS, I didn't try and dive too deep into it because I know when we start jQuery mobile, it's going to mess it up. So I just made it as bare as possible. Um, Same thing with the HTML, kept it bare and made it look simple. Um, So as far as the easiest part, I gotta say was the image itself. Not only that, I also used past courses to make this. This was actually from Mobile Media 1. I didn't make it on there, but I used my skills from Mobile Media 1, which was Photoshop, to actually create this. And the reason why it was so easy was because I didn't realize how easy it was to actually just put it in. I thought this was going to be tough. But it's not. The image is here. It looks great. It goes exactly with what I wanted to go for my app, which is for somebody to prepare themselves for a paintball game. Because sometimes I know that it's hard for me to prepare for one when there's so much going on. So this is pretty much a picture of me playing the game, and I just made this little splat design because that's how a paintball should look when you get hit. So yeah, and like I said, it's pretty bare, which leads me to the hard part of this project, which is the actual HTML itself. I did my best to make it look presentable. I really wanted that bar on top, but it didn't work out. I'm gonna assume that when I get into jQuery, it's gonna be much easier. Same thing here. Same thing with the buttons. Um, but I'm kind of glad that the search bar is still here, and while it doesn't work, I can actually at least click on it and have it up here and stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. Um, as far as everything else goes, my aha moment. Um, if I don't think I really had one just yet. Um, if it was mostly because of the fact that I realized I really need to start working more on my HTML skills as well as my CSS skills. I have a feeling that I could have made this way better than it is right now. Not to say that I'm not proud of it. To me, this is actually a pretty good start for what it's worth. But I really should get started on making HTML a priority as well, besides just the JavaScript and everything else. But if I have an aha moment, it has to be that. But I have a feeling I'm gonna get a real nice aha moment when we start jQuery, and then I can make this look a little bit more better. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I really wanted to make, like I said, as far as the design goes, I really wanted to give it a more paintball feel. Usually I play in the forest, so I wanted to give it that green feel. And it's pretty, like I said, I really wanted to keep it simple with this. And hopefully when we start diving more into the detailed stuff, I can make this look better than it is right now. But other than that, like I said, I wanted to keep it simple. I wanted to keep the green so that it gives it that forest feel that I wanted. And we'll see what happens later on. Either way, I hope all you guys are doing well with this, and I wish you luck, and I'll see you next time. You guys have a good night.